this video, I'm going to show you how to install PIP in Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and load up an internet browser. You could then type in pip install and press enter and click on this top website, which is pypi.org. You could then scroll down and click on installation, and then you'll need to scroll down again and right click on this bootstrap file and click on save link as. You could then select a folder where you want to save this to, so I'm just going to save it over in my documents, and then we can press save. You'll then need to open up your file explorer and just go and locate where we just saved this file to, so mine's in my documents here. Now you should be able to see this file that we downloaded, which is getpip. Now all you need to do is come up to the address bar and type in cmd and then press enter. You then need to go and type in the following command, python space get-pip.py and then press enter. As you can see, this is now installing pip to our computer. So if you get this message saying successfully installed, then you can go and close out of this window. You'll then need to restart Visual Studio, and once it's restarted, you should now be able to run pip commands. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.